respected teachers, and my dear friends. This is P. Akshaya. I am achieving ninth grade at Lokshit Tutorial. Today, I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now, I will say the complete seminar regarding the cell, its structure and functioning. Let's go to the seminar. Yes, before I am going to the seminar, I would like to ask an simple question to you. Do you know what is cell? Yes, cell. Of course, it is a small fundamental basic unit of life and it is helpful to plants and animals and human beings also. And the cells are present in animals and plants and human beings. The cells are very tiny particles in the tissues and it is a basic unit of life. Shall I show the picture of cell structure? Yes. It is a picture of cell structure. It is a mitochondria, it is a rough endoplasmic reticulum, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus and ribosomes. These are known as the cell organelles. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is typical cell. Do you know that the chloroplast present in the all plants? Yes, of course. Does the chloroplast didn't present in all plants, but it will present in some plants. And the chloroplast present in the typical plant cell. Are you understand this topic? Yes. I'll show the picture regarding to the typical plant cell. Yes. This is the typical plant cell. This was the inner part of cell, cell membrane, cell wall. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is observing cell wall. First of all, do you know what is plasma membrane? Yes, of course. Plasma membrane is nothing but outermost layer of cell and dividing the chloroplast and cytoplasm is known as the plasma membrane. Now we will see the picture of typical animal cell. This is the typical animal cell. Mitochondria, cell wall, Golgi complex and cell membrane. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is cytoplasm. Do you know what is cytoplasm? Yes, of course. Cytoplasm is nothing but it is divided into two types. One is cyto and one is plasm. Here cyto is nothing but cell and plasm is nothing but liquid. And the cytoplasm is also known as the cell liquid. This is known as the protoplasm. Now we will know about the difference between protoplasm and cytoplasm. Before going to the topic, I will show the pictures regarding to that. This is nucleus in cheek cell. Cheek cell is presented in the cytoplasm and the cheeks are presented in protoplasm. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is cell organelles. Do you know how many types are there cell organelles? Yes, there are 7 types. First one is mitochondria. Let us discuss about some mitochondria. Before going to the topic, I'll show the picture of mitochondria. This is the picture of mitochondria. This is a matrix and this is a circuit, an inner membrane and outer membrane. These cells are moved to active on the mitochondria. Next our topic is plastids. We did an activity. For this we need an rheoleaf. Take an rheoleaf and tear it single strip and add a drop of water, tincture iodine and keep and cover slip and observe what would be happen. You may have seen that plastids are present in the rheoleaf. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is ribosomes. The ribosomes is nothing but small granules like structure and fulfilled with cells. And it was 100 to 150 cell ribosomes presented in the cells and 2.8 to length and 0.5 to wide. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic. Do you know what is endoplasmic reticulum? Endoplasmic reticulum is nothing but it is also a structure of cell and it is also a different types of cell and it is sac-like structure fulfilled with all cytoplasm and protoplasm. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. Golgi apparatus. Do you know what is the sac-like structure? Golgi apparatus is also a sac-like structure and it is a small component of a cell. I'll show the picture of Golgi complex. This is the picture of Golgi complex. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is are the cells are flat. The cells are flat. Do you know why? Because it has a different types of components in the cell. Because of their different components, the cell is flat-like structure. In this, there is a small components of mitochondria. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. Where does cells come from? The cells come from which and living organisms. When they did an reproduction, the give and fruit and in that may presented the cells. Like that, the cells are coming. Are you understand my seminar? I hope you are all understood. Thanks for spending your valuable time for watching my video.